it is GRWM and welcome to my channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And don't forget to give this video a like, or I get a thumbs down, but I highly discourage a thumbs down because that's just mean. That's really mean. But you know, you do you, that's fine. So today's video, we're going to be getting ready together for a little night out. Not night out, but kind of just like a dinner. We're getting ready for a fancy dinner tonight, guys. Not super like proper formal dinner, just like a not fine dine. Let's get ready. So I've already showered, as you guys can tell. She's showered already, so now all I have to do is probably blow dry it, wash my face, prep my face, so we're ready to go out. Okay, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. But yeah, so during my holiday I kind of cut down on the steps of my skincare because honestly I'm lazy and I can't be bothered when holiday mode means lazy mode, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so Perfect Whip cleanser. Took me a while. Okay, Perfect Whip cleanser on my face. Okay, I'll just show you guys. Okay, I'm trying to imitate how the facialists they do my skin. They go from upwards like that, then they go in the nose like this. Feels so weird doing this myself. It hurts like my fingertips. Maybe I'll just go out like this. I look so much better like this. Like, I don't need to put makeup on, just leave it like this and, you know, ready to go. I look pretty good. I'm sorry, I look so weird with this on. Like, all you'll probably see is my mouth moving. Looks like I'm wearing lipstick, but I'm not. Something changed. My lips look weird. Did I cover it? I don't know. Now let's rinse, okay? To be honest, this isn't as glamorous as, you know, the commercial people do it. It's not like not for me. Wow, I feel clean again. Woo. Oh my goodness, I feel so clean. I honestly love the feeling of how clean my face is after cleansing. Like, I honestly don't want to put makeup on. Maybe I'll just go for a light makeup today. Oh, I got it in my eye. Maybe right now I could actually apply for a TV show or a movie, like a drama. Yeah, that's stupid. I'm sorry, that was really cringy. We're okay. The products that I bought for this trip honestly is just really random. Though I don't have the same brand, I just have random products. Also using the Ordinary, ta-da, as like a serum, I guess. Ta-da. Do you guys actually tap your products into your skin, or do you kind of just rub it in? Because I kind of do both. I kind of rub it in at the beginning and then I tap at the end. Because apparently it applies better, you know, it soaks in better if you tap it. I don't know if it's right, so let me know if it's actually right. I'm really not sure. I just put aloe vera as my moisturizer. It's about it, honestly. I feel like that's all I need on holidays.
Because you don't know who you...
My neck. Do not forget. Do not neglect the neck. Never neglect the neck. That's actually fun to say. Try saying it out loud. Never neglect the neck. Okay, that's my face done to prep before makeup. Good stuff. Ow. Okay, sorry. That was probably painful to watch, to just pull my hair like that. I know people usually start combing their hair from the bottom up, but to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I start from the top and then go down. That's how I just do it.
Jill?
Hi, I'm filming.
Oh, that's why. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
I love it. have done a 5-minute makeup tutorial before this video, so I'm gonna just link that rather than me explain it again, because I do the same thing. Honestly, nothing changes. So ew, it's not even the same color as my neck anymore.
What is?
My foundation. Ew, I look so white. Whoa, this ain't good. Oh, by the way, my friend's in the shower right now. So, you know, friendship goal. That laugh.
Can you talk to me more
Shampoo?
black gel please?
Bath gel? No problem. Was there enough conditioner in there?
Yeah, that's it.
Cool. This helps with the color. Good at tan
They're
line.
really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working. But there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be.
Yeah. This is my before. Ta-da! After.